You around it now?
I don't know. I want a girl once like this one, not a 30-pound, 40-pound.
I think I got him. Yeah, I got him. Hold on. 1 second. There we go. Ready? Yep. That's a big one, too.